Welcome to your good morning. Welcome to your assembly. Superhumans are amazing at communicating and we all do it in different ways. How does a skeleton call his friends? I don't know. On the telephone. I am glad you mentioned telephone because we want to start by communicating a very important message. What did one skeleton say to the other skeleton? I've got a bone to pick with you. Now let's go on with the show. Did you know today is National Humorous Day? If you haven't noticed, we will share some jokes as we go along. Humorous, ha ha ha. Did you know there's a bone in your body called the humerus? No way! Yes way. Some people call it the funny bone. That is funny. Well, we have been learning all about superhumans, their skeleton, and also how humans communicate. Let's start by looking at how humans can communicate. Our song was performed using Macedon, which is a kind of sign language. Some people use sign language instead of spoken communication. Morning. Some superhumans can communicate using pictures and words. Good morning looks like this. Today we want to share our learning on superhumans using lots of different types of communication. I know that superhumans got lots of amazing things to help us move and keep our organs safe. That's right, our body is held up by our amazing skeleton system. The skeleton is made up of hundreds of bones that all do a different job. Great. That was a lovely song. But those aren't the scientific names we should be using. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Oh no, our bones are everywhere. We will never find them. What do you call a skeleton that won't work? Lazy bones. We have to find these bones quick and fast, but we need some help. Lazy bones in position. As you can see, the skull is at the very top. The skull keeps your brain safe from injury. Holding up that big brain is tiring work. It needs a very strong bone. The neck bone and backbone are connected together. I am called the spine. Attached to both sides is an arm, but this is made up of multiple parts. Yes, we have the humerus, radius, and ulna. Going back to the middle of the body is the rib cage. I protect all of my vital organs that are required to keep the body going. As we get further down, we get to what most people call the hip bone. This is actually called the pelvis, and it attaches our legs to the rest of the body. The fine bone is the femur. It's the strongest and the longest bone in your body. It's quite hard to break this one. The patella is the scientific name for the knee bone. It's a small cap that helps to hold the parts of your leg together with joints. The bottom of the leg is actually two bones together. They are called the tibia and fibula. We are best friends, and we help you to run and play. Unfortunately, we don't have time to tell you the name of every bone in your body. There are 3 bones just in your ear. Skeletons can communicate through writing, and we all do it in different ways. Our story is all about bones. There's lots of bones which make a skeleton. We would like you to help us with the song Second Microphone.
2, 3, skeleton.
When you think you hear the name a bone to the sign for skeleton. I wonder how many there will be.
Help me find my headphone. The pillow on the backbone. My red flag of redbone. I'm scouting out my skull. Give me back my breastbone, the center of my chest bone. To hold my ribs the best bone. Return my sturdy stone. Next I need your feathers. The top of leggy high bones. My flapping, strapping, spy has any birdie see my femur by my upper arm bone to shield my face from harm bone. Beyond the level arm bone, I anger for my humor. I'm grateful for some hand bones, my raven heart to land bone. Under the heart and sand bones, I miss my metacarp. Feel like my back now, my whole heavy sack bone. It's gone up in a sack bone. Return my vertebrae. Tongue without my front head. Head like pumping swim pen. So stand and walking shin twins. I call tibia and tibia. Tickle up my toe bones, piggies in row bones. Leather booted low bones. I miss my fair phalanges. At last I got my lost bones. No longer stolen crossbones. I milky ocean tossed bones. A vast idea sits spyglass around the round. Breakfast skull and pound. There's treasure to be found here. I feel it in my bones.
Do you remember all the different bones in your body? It's time for a quiz. If you know, raise up your hand. What is the name which protects your brain? Yes, that's right. What do we call the bone that runs along the center of your back? Yes, correct. What is the name of the bones that protects the heart and lung? A. Pelvis. B. Ribs. C. Skull. D. Humerus. Correct. Which bone is not in your arm? A. Arm. B. Skull. C. Humerus. D. Radius. Yes, correct. Which bone is not in your leg? A. Radius. B. Femur. C. Tibula. D. Fibula. Yes, you are correct. question. What is the name of your hip bone? Yes, correct. Who would like to hear one more joke? Skeleton to the park. He doesn't have a bag in his